Attention CSU faculty, staff, alumni, and students. We have a special report. The Board of Trustees has formed a presidential search committee responsible for making recommendations for the next president of Charleston Southern University. They're holding listening sessions for everyone who is interested in having an input or asking questions. On the screen, you can see the date, times, and location for each group. If you are unable to attend, you can email your thoughts to Mr. Peterson by November 13th.
This is your Buck News.
Hello and welcome to Buck News. I'm Morgan Peffer.
And I'm DaishyDupri. CSU is partnering with the U.S. State Department to host the Passport Fair. On Wednesday, November 8th, you can register for your passport right here at CSU. You will need to bring 2 forms of ID, including your original birth certificate, and since they do not offer pictures on site, bring your passport photo, which you can have done at Walmart or Walgreens. The cost of a new passport is $135 and the renewal fee is $110, the same as any government office. The advantage is the turnaround time will reduce significantly because they will be processed locally. You can email Mrs. Levan at slevan@csuniv.edu for more questions.
The theater program is excited to perform Diving Into the Wreck this Friday the 8th through Monday the 11th. It will be shown in the Black Box Theater at 7:30 p.m. Tickets are $10 for general admission and free to all CSU students, faculty, and staff.
In honor of Hunger and Homeless Awareness Week, CSU Odyssey Online will host the Hangry for Homeless Walk on Thursday, November 9th. Students are encouraged to bring bags of canned goods to donate, which you will carry around the course to symbolize the weight of the hungry and homeless. Meet at Lightsview Chapel at 7:30 p.m. to participate. Kicking off Hunger and Homeless Awareness Week, there will be a movie night on Monday showing The Soloist in the Whitfield Center for Christian Leadership, room 102 and 103. The movie will start at 7 and water and popcorn will be sold for $1. Proceeds will go to a nonprofit in the community. On Tuesday, there will be a cardboard box city set up in front of the reflection pond starting at 10 a.m. Following, there will be a homeless forum starting at 4 p.m.
On Wednesday, there will be a hot wing eating contest for resident students at 6:30 in the dining hall. Contestants will eat 15 hot wings in a 20-minute span. The first male and female winner will get a $75 Buck Dining Dollar reward, while the overall winner will get a trophy. 15 males and 15 females will compete. Don't miss your chance at a chapel credit this week, as CSU welcomes guest speaker Navy Chaplain Lieutenant Eric Heyman. Heyman will speak at Chapel at 11 in the Lightsview Chapel Auditorium.
Hunger and Homeless Awareness Week continues on Wednesday as the cardboard box city will once again be set up in front of the reflection pond. There will be a homeless simulation from 2 to 3 p.m. And here's Danielle with sports.
Hey, I'm Danielle Hensley, and this is your CSU Sports Update. This week, I am joined by a few football players. We have kicker Tyler Tekak and linebacker Solomon Brown. Welcome to the show. Let's talk about the Gardner-Webb game a little bit. It was a little slow start. We had a few turnovers. At the end of the game, we have 11 seconds. Robert Mitchell throws a pass to Kenny Dinkins, leaving us 1 second on the clock. We were down by 2, and you're up, Tyler. We have a field goal. What was going through your mind?
I was really shocked. I didn't see it coming, but at the end of the day, we went out there and got the job done.
Yeah, how did it feel to make the game-winning field goal?
It was incredible. I mean, it's something I've always dreamed of since I started kicking, and I'm glad it finally happened.
Yeah, congrats on that. Now, Solomon, the game was a pretty strong defensive game, but the whole season kind of has been. How are y'all feeling?
We've been feeling pretty good, and we've been working on our mistakes each week, and we're just getting better and better.
All right, we have Kennesaw State this weekend. How are y'all feeling? What are you doing to prepare?
Just preparing like we do every other week. It's just another game and being ready to go in any situation we get put in.
We've been watching film, preparing for the option kind of look. They're very talented, so we have a lot of different looks that we need to look at and prepare for.
Well, thanks so much, guys, and good luck this weekend. Recapping last week, volleyball hosted Winthrop on Tuesday, where they fell short with the final 3-0. They then traveled to High Point on Friday and dropped straight sets to the Panthers. On Saturday, they lost to Radford 3-0. Heading to the Greens, Art Griffin won the East Bay Deli Classic and was named the Big South Golfer of the Week. The team finished in 15th place. Finishing us off, the men's basketball team won their first exhibition game of the season on Friday, beating Southern Westland 80-53. This week, they will tip off at Davidson on Friday at 7 p.m. for their first regular season game. They will then travel to NC State on Sunday to face the Wolfpack. Catch it on ESPN3. The women's team will have their home opener on Friday against Columbia International. Come out at 7 and pack the place out for their first game. They'll be back home on Sunday hosting Lipscomb at 2 p.m. Volleyball will be away this week facing Campbell on Saturday, first serve set for 4 p.m. And football is on the road for the last time in the regular season on Saturday. They'll be in Georgia taking on the Owls of Kennesaw State. Kickoff is 3:30 and will be aired on ESPN3. That was your CSU Sports Update. I'm Danielle Hensley. Go Bucks!
On Thursday, CSU professor Dr. Arnold Height will be joined by Alan Cross from the Evangelical Immigration Table to host an immigration lecture. Come to learn more of what the Bible says on immigration and how it affects our economy.
Come out and support the ladies of Charleston Southern as they compete for the title of Miss CSU this Saturday at 7 p.m. in Lightsey Chapel. And that's your Buck News for the week. To submit news, photos, or videos, email bucknews@csuniv.edu.
Visit our website or social media for all the latest news. We'll leave you this week with Chapel guest speaker Hope Radabaugh. Have a great week and go Bucks!